What's going on, guys? It's that time of year again. We're going back down to Oklahoma this year to Uncle Randy and Aunt Jen's farm. Do some hog hunting with our bows, and we brought all of our guns, thermals, do some thermal hunting at night. All of us are going. Got Dane right next to Brody, Dad, Mom. Don't have the dog this year, but we're gonna go down, spend 4 days down there, see how many hogs we can kill, and just hang out with the family. So it should be fun.
After a 6-hour drive, on our way down, we got word that there's some hogs down here on the feeders already, so we got here as quick as we could, got changed, and got the guns ready, and hopped in the side-by-side. We're on our way out to see if we can find him. I think he kind of took off a little bit away from the feeder, but we're going to get down here and see if we can find him in this field. Let's start there. Sneak up right here. We don't want to drive the side-by-side up there, so we're just going to walk up there, try to get up there real quiet, look out into this field, see if he's still around or if there's anything up there right now. Just trying to be quiet.
Hit him again.
Shoot him again.
He's dead. Good job, buddy. Boom.
Heck yeah.
Good job, buddy. That's a big one, too.
Heck
man.
yeah.
Nice shooting, dude. I knew we had to win perfect for that sucker. That's why I wanted to bust down here and give him a shot.
Good morning, everybody. Just got up and around this morning, got changed. Brody shot his hog last night with the thermal, so we're going to go out this morning and try to ride around, fill some feeders up, and kind of adjust the times that they go off so they're going off in the dark when we can get down there and get on them. So try to get some stuff set up for tonight so we can do some more thermal hunting, have a good wind. It's supposed to be good weather, so should
Lots
be a pretty
of hogs too.
Yeah, there's tons of hogs running around tonight. or at evenings, so should be pretty good. Looking forward to it.
Randy, what's our plan of attack for the night, buddy?
Man, I tell you what, out of all the years we've been down here, I got the highest hopes for tonight. I was telling these boys, the hogs are thick right now, and we got plenty of shooters, we got plenty of feeders going, and we got a great wind for tonight. So I'm thinking and hoping and fingers crossed that tonight's going to be a dang massacre. Time will tell. I think it's going to come down to how good these boys can shoot. I think they're going to have plenty of action.
Well, if last night was any indication, we might be in the cars.
We got the party started early last night. These boys wasn't here for 5 minutes and they shot a big old boar, so it's a good way to start a good weekend.
Alright guys, so we've spent the afternoon today running around and trying to get some food plots, well, I guess feeders set up for this evening, and there's a lot of them kind of spread out around here on the property. And what we've done is we've set the timer on them to go off, like one goes off every hour, instead of them all going off at the same time. And that way we kind of got them lined up where we can just start working into the wind towards these as they go off, and the hogs will move around. And so hope is we can have multiple places to go as the night goes on, and we just don't have a bunch of feeders going off. But here this evening we're all going to go out. There's a couple places we got hogs coming out in the daylight for sure, and we're going to try to get them. So Chase and I are going to go one place with our bows. And Dane here, he had a little accident last week. Actually a week ago today, or no, a week ago tomorrow. And he actually broke his femur, believe it or not. And so he's had surgery, but he's bound and determined to try to get out and shoot a hog. We've had this trip planned, so he's going to go with Randy and Uncle Randy and Brody. We have a blind that we went and set up and got some chairs in, and we think we can get him close enough where he can get out there in his walker and get in the chair. He's bound and determined to try to get something tonight. So that's what our plan of attack is. So we'll see if we can get some stuff pulled off. We got high hopes for some hogs hitting the dirt tonight. So hopefully Dane will be one of them. Get him sling some lead. Hi, buddy? Mm-hmm. Keep you in the house.
Yeah, I was going to grab some.
Alright, we just got to our spot. Dad and I, Randy just took the side-by-side down here. He's going to fill up the feeder, get everything ready down there. And then our stand is right here, right on top of this ridge. He said that they have like a bedding area right down there that they like to come from. So, but he also said they could really come from any direction. So we're just going to get up here and be ready for anything from any direction. Alright, so we got climbed up in there, all set up. While we were getting ready, as Chase was telling you, Randy made sure the feeder was good to go. It was still full before he left out of here. And yeah, the hogs have already been in here this afternoon. They came in here like at 12:30, but they've been doing that. They'll come like at 12:30, then they've been here like at 3:45, and then 4:45, and then
this area. So we're up here we're up on top of this knob here. Got a deep ditch here, and then another deep one off over here. Falls off in this bottom. So, looks pretty cool up here. This isn't a place we've hunted yet since we've been coming down here with him. But I know we came in here one time and checked the feeder, but we never did come up here and hunt. I might talk to my guide about getting a bow hook in my stands when I get there. I mean, that's like guide 101. Like, guy needs a bow hook. You're bow hunting. Gotta put a bow hook in there, Randy. Take that out of your tip, man.
What tip?
I'll give him a tip. Don't pee in the wind.
Yep, that's exactly right. That's 2 hogs in less than 24 hours.
Too long to board now.
Yeah.
Hopefully them boys are about ready to sling some lead and stuff.
Yeah. Yep.
That was the old beast broadhead right there. It didn't get very good penetration on them.
I don't think it did either. I wonder if it hit that shoulder on the other side and stopped.
It probably could have, because he was quartering away, so it might hit it on him.
Yeah. Yep.
I toasted him though.
Yep.
Did you see him hit that tree?
Yeah, he smacked that tree. He smacked.
Well, we better change places.
Yep.
See if we can get Chase one up here now.
That's dedication, buddy. What? That's dedication. My man is coming off of a fresh leg break, but he ain't letting it stop him. Going in after some pigs this afternoon. He's making his way to the blind slowly but surely.
A few moments later.
Snack shack. Old crippled little Mo got in. He's in the blind. He's got his heater ready to roll. Got Brody over here on this side with the scatter gun.
Hopefully I don't choke this time.
We got a pile of pigs coming into this feeder right here. So stick with us. We're about to splatter some pork. Where are they at? Oh, I see them.
Yeah, they're coming up right here. I'm shooting the baby one.
Just be real still, guys. Be real still. Dane, go ahead and get on that big one.
Checking it out. I'm trying to get it. I'm shooting that black and white big one. Yep, there, that one.
All right, which one are you going to shoot?
I can't shoot. Just hold on. Just hold on. Just let him hold it. Settle down.
Get on your gun, Dane.
Oh my gosh. I can't shoot. Just hold on.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah. Yep.
Are you ready, Dane?
Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Well, the massacre happened. My man here, looky here. Walker and all. He got her done. We smoked them. They come in just like we had hoped about the right time. And I don't know, how many was there? Probably 10 altogether. I think we picked up, I don't know, 6 or 7, something like that. So we had them scattered out everywhere. We shot some with a rifle, some with a shotgun. We were busting up in them, weren't we, Dane? He walkered in here and he got her done. We had to pick an easy spot for him to get to, but my man stuck it out. Got Brody out here gathering some up. What you think, buddy? Even got you a shed, huh?
Yeah. Found a shed right next to a tiny little pivot.
Got a good one there. couple smaller ones.
Blood? Are you serious?
We done
There might have been one.
we done smoked a bunch of them. Oklahoma got these boys on some hogs tonight. Heck yeah.
You don't need that.
Here's the setup for the night. Thermals.
Yep.
Electric Ranger.
Stealth
mode.
suppressors.
Going bad to the bone guide.
Do some more killing.
Let's get it done.
Hey, what are we doing? Whatever you want to do, just tell me. Hey, pick one out. Go on 3. Go what? Yep. Yep. Yeah.
Hammered them.
Randy. Good grief.
Didn't y'all say 1, 2, 3, boom?
Yeah,
No.
you shot on 2.
Yeah.
I did not.
You did. You definitely did.
Well, I'm sorry.
One all the way off to the left, and then I killed 2. They're right here.
I shot one right here.
Yeah, that's the one that I didn't kill.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, it's our last evening out here in Oklahoma. Our last hoorah at thermal hunting. So we got some cameras going off up here. We're gonna try to sneak in on a hog that is hanging out around a feeder right now. So try to get in on him and see if we can get some bullets in him for the evening and get the party started for the night.
Well, that's probably just about it for the night and probably the trip too, but we'll be watching the cameras all night, see if something comes out in the next couple hours. But we got 2 down tonight, possibly 3. Kind of iffy on that one, but I think we got 18 total on the trip, which beats our past record by far. So pretty good. We'll get back out there if we see anything on the cameras, but other than that, just tune in until next time.